Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to install Linux Mint 21.2 on VirtualBox 7.0. So before proceeding to install, make sure that you have installed the latest version of VirtualBox. So this is my latest version 7.0.12. So latest release of VirtualBox as of now. Okay, now I am going to create one virtual machine. I am giving one name to virtual machine Linux Mint 21.2. Next I am giving the directory path where Linux Mint 21 virtual machine is getting stored. Next I am browsing the ISO image of Linux Mint 21.2 ISO file which I already downloaded from internet. Okay, so next I am providing 8 GB RAM and 4 CPU cores. Next I am going to allocate dynamically allocated virtual hard disk size of 40 GB. Finish it. Okay, now once again go to settings, system, motherboard, uncheck the floppy. Optical drive will be the first device in boot order. Next come to network, it will be NAT. Okay, so we need internet connection in order to download the packages from repository. Okay, let us start installing Linux Mint 21.2. Okay, boot menu has arrived. I am choosing the first option. Okay, so install Linux Mint. Click the icon. Okay, this is the installation screen. So English will be the default language. So click the continue button. Erase disk and install Linux Mint. Install now. Continue. So select my location. Okay. Provide the login user and provide the computer name you are using. Provide the password for the login user. Yes, so installation is completed. So I am going to power off this virtual machine. Okay, once again go to VirtualBox settings, system, motherboard, hard disk will be the first device in boot order. Okay, start the machine. Okay, after adjusting the screen resolution, so go to terminal, open the terminal. Sudo apt update. So this will update the repository. Okay, so this will update the repository. So Linux Mint 21 will be using the Ubuntu repository. Okay, now I am going to install the packages needed by VirtualBox Guest Addition software. So these are the packages needed by VirtualBox Guest Addition software, and this is the command. So make sure that we need internet connection. Okay. So all the dependency packages needed by VirtualBox Guest Edition software is downloaded. Now I'm going to insert a guest edition CD image. So open internal, open as root. Oh no, open as terminal, open as terminal. Sudo so login as a root user. .vbox/vbox linux additions.run. Okay, so guest edition software installed successfully. Now I am going to power off Linux Mint 21 virtual machine. Okay, so next I am going to VirtualBox settings, general advanced. I am enabling the shared clipboard and drag and drop to bidirectional. Next come to shared folders. Okay, so instead of trying the drag and drop, I am using the shared folder concept. So you can copy paste or transfer the files using the shared folders. Okay, that will be very easier than drag and drop. So drag and drop might not be working, so better use this shared folders. Okay, so I mounted the shared folder, Windows host machines folder. Okay, I rebooted. Now I am going to open the terminal and check the shared clipboard feature. Okay, so I am typing some commands and I am going to copy the terminal output to the Windows host machine notepad to check the shared clipboard feature. Okay, now let me copy this output. Yes, I can able to paste in Windows host machine notepad. Okay, now let me try from Windows host machine to Linux Mint 21 virtual machine. Yes, I can able to copy paste. So shared clipboard feature is working bidirectionally. So let me check the shared folder is working or not. You can see shared folder is mounted in desktop. Okay, it cannot be accessed directly. Okay, let me try as a root user. Okay, open as root. So I am giving the root password. Yes, so I can able to access the shared folder as a root user in GUI itself. I can able to access. Okay, so you can transfer files using shared folder concept instead of using drag and drop. So finally, Linux Mint 21.2 installation on VirtualBox 7.0 with guest edition is successful.